Welcome to Bioverse. In this video, we'll explore the Western Australia State-Nominated Migration Program 2025-26, your pathway to live and work in WA as a skilled professional. Let's begin. To live and work in Western Australia under a skilled migration visa, you must be nominated by a state or territory government. The WA Migration Services, on behalf of the WA government, provides this nomination. These extra points increase your chance of getting invited for a visa by the Department of Home Affairs. The 2025-26 WA program continues with equal invitation ranking for interstate and overseas candidates, priority for occupations in WA's critical industries, reduced employment requirements for building and construction occupations, additional employment contract options for certain general stream applicants, prioritized invitations for building and construction trades, and reintroduced $200 application fee. You can apply through one of two main streams: graduate stream for international students who studied in WA, general stream for skilled professionals in eligible occupations. Each stream has its own occupation list. WASM, Western Australia Skilled Migration Occupation List, Schedule 1 and 2. Goal, Graduate Occupation List, for WASM graduates. These lists show which occupations are in demand in Western Australia. Here's a quick summary of the requirement. If your occupation is in the WA building and construction sector, you don't need an employment contract. Let's see how to apply for WA state nomination in 2025-26. On-screen steps. Step 1. Lodge an expression of interest, or EOI, in Skill Select. Step 2. Prepare your documents. Step 3. Wait for an invitation from WA Migration Services. Step 4. Lodge your state nomination application. Step 5. Wait for assessment and outcome. Step 6. If approved, you'll be nominated in Skill Select. Step 7. Apply for your visa with the Department of Home Affairs. Step 8. Wait for visa assessment and outcome. Step 9. Register your arrival or visa approval. Processing time for decision-ready applications is around 28 working days. Invitations are issued monthly, depending on how many applications are being processed. Having an eligible EOI doesn't guarantee an invitation. It depends on your occupation and ranking. Before applying, make sure to check your occupation on the latest WA lists, WASMOL or GOL. Prepare a strong EOI in Skill Select. Meet English and experience requirements. Keep your documents ready and accurate. The WA State-Nominated Migration Program offers skilled professionals and graduates a great opportunity to live, work, and build their future in Western Australia. If you're ready to take the next step, start by checking your occupation and lodging your EOI today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Bioverse for more updates on nursing, migration, and education in Australia.